Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 5. Here we will explain about discourse study. Before we start the presentation, let me introduce my group members. I'm Naya Felinivana and Hana Prebianti Rahayu, Najwa Aliana Syuhudin, and Devita Nurfauzia. So, first, I will explain the introduction. Next slide, please. Qualitative research is a style of inquiry that focus on investigating meanings, experience, and social interaction, behavior, and relationship within particular context, according to Reynolds et al. 2000. And within this discourse, studies has emerged as an important methodology, particularly in how language creates reality, power, and identify. This course studies emphasize the analysis of verbal, visual, or symbolic action to understand how everyday interaction is sorted with ideologies and how ideologies are deeply embedded in social interaction, according to Zadda 2020. For example, in the fields of education or healthcare, these core studies have been employed as a methodological tools to investigate issues surrounding social inequities, representation, and production of knowledge, according to Karman 2023. And Yazdiks et al. 2017. Considering how language function to produce meanings, offers insight to assumptions, cultural values, and relationship of power that circulate in social practice, according to Scallon 2010. The purpose of the report is to discuss the role of discourse studies within qualitative research as a theoretical framework, methodological approach, and applied practice. Also to highlight how discourse studies contribute to develop a rich understanding of human communication, identify making, and social change, according to Greg Sheng 2012. And next will be explained by my friend.
And next, I will explain the literature review. Enger, Mahler, and Johannes 2015 states that in discourse studies, discourse is typically seen as a social practice of participants communicating through linguistic and other semiotic resources in certain contexts. Researchers in this field often insist on the constitutive character of discourse of social reality, structure, and subjectivities. This approach has been developed by experts such as Van Dyck, 1991, and Wodak, 2015. And then Van Dyck, who argued that news articles often use subtle linguistic strategies to portray immigrants negatively. Similarly, Wodak, 2015, argues that right-wing political discourse has created an exclusive national identity by portraying immigrants as a threat to existing culture. All of this emphasize that discourse is not neutral but plays a key role in maintaining or even challenging dominant ideologies. Thank you. Next.
All right. For methodology, based on the article Understanding Critical Discourse Analysis in Qualitative Research by Tebogo Mogasoa describes CDA as a qualitative and interpretative methodology. It is a framework for considering and evaluating an issue rather than a straight sequential procedure. Understanding how language works as a social activity, exposing the ideologies and power dynamics present in text are the goals. For procedures, first, written documents, such as original documents from social institutions. And second, oral text, like conversation and discussion. And last, the article also mentioned that study always incorporates fieldwork and ethnography to explore the object under investigation as a precondition for further analysis and theorizing. And for data analysis techniques, first, thematic analysis. The purpose of thematic analysis is to find recurrent themes or significant categories in a collection of data. Second, print text analysis. This entails examining written materials using prosody, exposing and challenging the text is binary classification, and recognizing the ways in which repetitions reinforces authority, and cohesion, analyzing the way pronouns, conjunctions, and repeat words. And last, oral text analysis. When examining oral text, a researcher must take into account non-verbal clues and the context in addition to the words. Next.
Okay, for the next is discourse study example. An appropriate example of discourse study is FIRECLOG 2013 application of critical discourse analysis or CDA to media text. In that work, FIRECLOG analyzed newspaper article or immigration to reveal the ways language shapes the public's understanding and social attitude toward immigrations. In this study, the analysis was not just about what the article says, but it also considered the lexical choice, metaphors, and framing to describe immigrants. Next. And next is discussions. In role of language, the finding of the discourse study highlight language central role in shaping the perception of social group. And two is the repeated use of metaphors like food and Barnett to talk about immigration across media texts, demonstrate the prevalence of ideologies that fight for the marginalization of certain communities. And then implication of research of qualitative research. This research illustrates the importance of discourse study for qualitative research to reveal hidden meaning within text or interactions. And two is discourse serve as tool for researchers to understand the connections between language and power, offering an in-depth analysis of social structures. And the next is discourse. Discourse analysis is an approach in which scholars examine language to engage the social processes. And the last is strength and limitations. The strength is it is productive in connecting micro level of linguistic choice to macro level social context. And limitation may again reserve criticism for being interpretive and subjective, as disparate analysis could generate different interpretations. And the last is, according to Wadak and Mayer 2016, requires transparency and flexibility to enhance credibility. And next is
Next is the conclusion. Discourse studies is a key research method for exploring the link between language, power, and social reality. This method demonstrates how discourse actively changes social structure and ideas rather than only describing them. The approach uncovers underlying power relation by examining how language marginalizes a group and upholds prevailing ideologies. It is ability to provide a greater understanding of human communication by relating specific word choices to large social settings. In order to understand how language continues to influence our identities and the word discourse studies should be extended to new domains in the future, especially digital platform. Thank you. Maybe that's all from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.